Hello mga parts! Another day, another vlog. This is Beharang Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga parts, you will not believe this. Now, I'm here in Paris, France! So wow! So mga parts, medyo sobrang excited ako, ecstatic ako ngayon. And kahit sobrang haba ng flights ko, going to here at around 16 hours, ang taas pa rin ng energy ko kasi nga sobrang excited ko pa rin. Kasi I'm here in Paris mga parts, and samahan nyo ako at explore natin ng Paris at manood tayo ng Olympics. So by the way mga parts, kung hindi nyo pa napanood ang aking mga vlogs featuring yung business class ng Etihad at ng Air France, eto siya. And I'll post the link below. But today mga parts, samahan nyo ako. Manood tayo ng Olympics, i-tour natin yung Paris, and kung ano-ano pa mga pwede natin gawin dito sa Paris, France. Let's go mga parts! So mga parts, we just arrived in Paris and there's a group waiting for us. The Sanofi people from France, and they'll be assisting us going to our bus because Sanofi is our company here. Thank you so much Sanofi for this opportunity and for this experience. So our ushers are leading the way to our bus over here. And of course, we have our flag here from the Philippines. So, this is the airport. It's like Naiya 3. But a lot colder. So here's our bus going to Sofitel Scribe. So later on mga parts, I'll tour you also to our hotel. So mga parts, ito yung bus namin. Oh, there's a Sanofi logo here and the Olympics logo, and we're going to ride this bus. Let's go.
Triple share. Oh,
sorry, thank you.
instant triple share.
Yeah.
A room accommodation. Mas gusto ko dito ng view.
Saan ba yung view?
Right,
Water for you?
sila eh. Thanks. Right and
For you as well.
thank you so much. Hindi tayo for the basketball tomorrow.
So mga parts,
Tomorrow or today for the athletics.
that is the stadium where the closing ceremony will be happening, and we'll be there.
And to the right, this is the new building that they've just built. It's the only building they've built for diving.
Oh
for
my
the diving,
god!
and the swimming, artistic swimming.
I like to watch the diving, but yeah.
So most of the venues for the Olympics were either in already existing stadiums.
Yes.
This is the only building that's been built from
Yeah.
scratch, which is one of the promises of the ecological front of the Paris Olympics. That's all. Basketball problem.
Where are they staying?
Outside of, just outside of Paris, I think it's
parts, this is the opera.
Very famous opera houses. The Opera Garnier, which is this one. Sorry for the renovation sign. But it's the more classical one, with the old buildings and the paintings and sculptures. And then there's
Yung
also
hotel
Opera
scribe
Bastille,
namin mga
which is
parts.
very
Hotel
modern.
namin mga parts. So
Which also does a
near
lot more modern operas.
the opera. We-U-turn lang
So
kami and
light,
then we'll
light effects.
go down and check into the hotel. Mga parts, there is Hotel Scribe, our hotel. I'm so excited. We're so near. We're so near.
Yeah, but not the Airbnb, since the Airbnb is in Goda. This is the music Fragonard. They have the Fragonard perfume, which is very French and famous. And you have free access. I don't know if you'll have time in the program, depending on your free time. But there is a possibility of going to the museum.
Oh.
I'm not supposed to encourage you to go off.
Yeah.
So keep this in
and,
between us.
We just arrived here at the hotel and then check-in. Thank you. Thank you. There's a check-in here and there's a registration where we get our goodies. So, syempre mga parts, ayan, nakadating na nga tayo ng hotel and yung room natin dito sa Sofitel Scribe or Hotel Scribe in Paris is 163 and ayan, courtesy of my company, thank you so much. And of course mga parts, hindi mawawala, let's do a room tour. So, this is the regular room of Hotel Scribe in Paris. This is a Sofitel chain of hotel or Sofitel Hotel. Yan, meron dito whole body mirror over there. Yan, kakagali lang natin sa Manila and actually connecting flights to from Abu Dhabi. And yan, nandito yung mga lagay ng hanger. Wow. Sino po siya? Very Parisian, very French. And then dito, meron dito. Oh, safe. Yan. And over here, merong hair dryer and shoe kit, sewing kit, at saka yung mga laundry bags dito. Cabinet and another hangeran. May paper bag si Le Scribe, Paris Opera, malapit. Nung mention ko kanina mga parts, malapit siya sa Paris Opera. And wow, ang ganda naman ito. Coffee station here. And this is, I think, water. Complimentary. There's a coffee here. Oh, tingnan natin. Oh, mga parts. May pan-espresso. Panalo. Complimentary over there. Here naman. Oh, this is a ref. Yeah, it's a refrigerator. Pero, na siyang laman. Ngayon ang cabinet. And, ito yung entrance mga parts. Tapos pagdating nyo naman dito, nandito na yung washroom. Later on, itutur natin yan. But here is the bed. Wow! Look at that, mga parts. Ganda naman. And, ito yung bed. I think this is a double size bed. May chair over here. Diba? Aesthetic po dito. And this is a TV. Oh, parang frame siya na TV. And then, side table. And here, may isa pa rin chair dito. May isang lampshade over here. Yan. And, this is the view. Wow. Ganda. Okay. And then, meron ditong phone. Ang cute naman itong phone. Oh, gumagana talaga siya. Ano to? Oh, there's a light. Oh, reading light. Peter. And na-mention ko naman mga parts, this trip is sponsored by my company. So, meron sila freebies over here. And maraming naman yan dito. Mamaya unbox natin yan. Ito yung maleta ko. And yung bags ko. May table dito. And mga parts. Let's do a washroom tour. Oh my God. Grabe naman yung mga ano. May pag-gold po dito or bronze. Pan ba ito? Hala. Pang mayaman. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Oh. Ganda mga parts. So, meron, iba. Balman. And, may mirror dito. Ganda. Ganda yung mga bukasan din natin mga parts. So, tapos, ano to? Ayan, ano to? Saksakan. May malaking mirror dyan. May wow. Ba? Grabe naman dito pa sa Paris parts. Grabe ang mga, mayroon pa mga toiletries. And may bathtub, mga parts. Sabitan dito. Tapos yung shower. Hala. And yung mga toiletries niya is Balmain Paris. Iba po. Nakakaangat-angat po sa buhay. Tingnan mo na. Yung kanilang mga ang ganda ng cars. Nandito yung mga towel. Diba? So, yun. So, ayun mga parts, it's my day 1 here in Paris. Sobrang haba ng flights at nakakapagod. Pero, mga parts, wala po tayong karapatang mapagod kasi nga, libre lang. And I'm so excited. Mamaya mga parts, manonood ako ng basketball. And we're here actually for the Olympics. Kaya, samahan ako later mga parts, manonood tayo ng basketball. Or, mamaya pa naman yung 6:40. So, ngayon, mag-freshen up lang ako and then mag-ikot-ikot tayo later. Tapos muna tayong basketball. Let's go! So, ayun na nga mga parts. It's our day 1 here in Paris. And hindi na natin papatagalin. Agad-agad manonood na agad tayo ng Olympics because yun naman yung main purpose ng pagpunta natin dito sa Paris is to watch the 2024 Summer Olympics. And ngayon nga mga parts ay papunta tayo sa Arena Bercy to watch the women's basketball, and I think this is semifinal. So, hindi ko alam ngayon mga parts kung sino yung maglalaban, anong country, but regardless, let's go, samahan nyo ako manood ng women's basketball dito sa Paris 2024 Olympics. Let's go! So, there mga parts, kasama natin si Parts Chester. And we're going to watch a basketball game, women's basketball, sa Arena Bercy. It's a match between France and Belgium. So, syempre mga parts, will be cheering for France kasi wala naman tayong delegates for women's basketball. So, from the hotel, we're walking to the bus that will bring us to Arena Bercy. So, see you mga parts sa Arena Bercy. Yeah, with our fellow Sandopians here in Paris. Here's our bus. So mga parts, we're walking now here, going to Arena Bercy. There's so many, and it's raining in Paris. It's raining now, but we're going to the arena. And there's a lot of French who will be watching this game because it's France versus Belgium. See you at Arena Bercy. Yeah. So mga parts, we're heading to the Arena Bercy, and there's a lot of officers over here, and yeah, a lot of Sanupians, so happy. Look, because it will be France versus Belgium. Say hi to my vlog. I'll show it to Sangeeta. Say hi to
Hey, Sangeeta! Hi, Cash!
and Cash. Yeah. We're now falling in line to the arena. This is where the action starts. Oh, we're here. Mga parts, we're here inside the Arena Bercy, and we're heading to the where we'll be seated. It's a nice game because it's France and we're here in France, so we'll be cheering for France.
Attends, mais la finale, ça...
It's like World Cup.
Parti grâce à Emma Messeman. Français, les filles de Jean-Émile Toupanet pour après une nouvelle médaille olympique, après l'argent à Londres en 2012 et le bronze à Tokyo il y a 3 ans.
Yeah. And hey, listen, for Belgium, we can talk a little bit about what they need to do. There's a lot of pressure on
We made it
Belgium
here.
to score. The bench has got to come alive if they're going to compete in this one and make it all the way to play for the gold. France outscores them 40.
Oh my God, mga parts, I'm so near. Look,
Jusqu'à présent, la Belgique, les supporters belges,
what a view!
mais aussi ici à Paris, lors du quart de finale, les supporters français, n'en parlons pas, ils ont été incroyables à Lille, ils ont été très très bons pour le quart de finale. Hier, on espère que ça va être encore le feu, mais ça dépend de vous. Et voici maintenant l'équipe nationale de Belgique.
Returning for Team Belgium, number 11, Emma Messeman.
Il reste 10 minutes.
So mga parents, I'm back sa hotel and panalo yung friends kanina sa basketball. Pero bukas kita ulit tayo. Good night na at matutulog na tayo kasi nga it's been a very very long day. See you tomorrow! Good morning mga parts! Welcome to day 2 here in Paris Olympics 2024. And now it is actually 6 a.m. here in Paris and we're off to the lobby to meet our colleagues because our call time is so early, 6:30, and we're heading to the water polo event in Paris La Defensa Arena. So let's go mga parts, manood naman tayo today ng water polo. I'm not sure pa kung anong country but it's women's water polo competition event. Let's go mga parts! So mga parts, good morning! It's a sunny day here in Paris and we're heading to the venue of the water polo. For this one, it's actually a podium match. We'll see who will be playing, but we're walking towards the stadium. Will join me in this sporting event today and hoping that it will be a very good thing, same as last night for the women's basketball match between Paris between France and Germany, and Paris won the game last night. So we are actually in the business district of Paris, and the one you are seeing right now in front of us is actually a famous landmark there. And nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan niya. It's Sika. So see you later, mga pards. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng pards? Pards. Kaya ka. So mga pards, good morning. Our date with partner Pards Chester. We're watching the water polo as mentioned, and now we are here in Paris La Defensa Arena. Over here, the venue for the water polo, and it's so nice here. So we'll be going inside. We'll just queue for the line and we'll find our seats. But see you inside here, the Paris La Defensa Arena. Parang pwede siyang shortcut for parts, mga parts. So let's go inside. See ya! Mga parts, we're here waiting for us to enter the Paris La Defensa Arena to watch the water polo. And they also have here the souvenir shop over there, but we'll see if we can look for another souvenir shops later. So yeah, so excited for today, and hopefully Pards, mag-subscribe ka naman sa aking YouTube channel para naman mag-grow to 3,000 subscribers tayo. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. Oh my God, mga Pards, we're inside the arena and it's so huge. Look! Oh my God. This is an Olympic pool, and my God, this is once in a lifetime. So nice. And we're watching water polo. Oh, hi. Sorry about that. So let's go find our seat for today. Woo! Paris 2024. Let's go mga parts. Let's watch water polo. Akala mo naman marunong mag-water polo. Let's go na.
Mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît, vous levez.
What's up mga pards? Ayan, so walking kami ng mga pards natin dito in Paris. Kasama ko si Pards Janine at saka si Pards Alfred. Hello. And si J-Tech. We're walking from the hotel. Wow, English. And magsha-shopping po si Jay. Wow. Tamaan po namin si Jay. At yung magbabayad po si Alfred. Kasi wala po kaming visa. Wala po kami visa ni Janine. Puro Mastercard lang po yung mga gamit namin. Eh wala po palang dito masyado, Mastercard. Wala din po kaming cash. So dumidepende lang po kami dito sa mga magbabayad.
Thank you, Jay.
So nandito kami sa saang street ba to? Intercon na. Ayan, galing kami ng hotel. So samahan nyo kami mga parts. At pupunta kami ng outlet store. Tingnan natin kung ano yung pwede natin mga Or pwede nyo mabili pag nagpunta kayo doon mga parts. So let's go at kita-kits tayo.
Sabi niya kasi dalawa yung center. Isa dito, yung mga...
So mga parts, dito tayo sa Cleopatra's Needle dito sa Paris. Actually, malapit lang to dun sa hotel namin, walking distance. Sobrang ganda ng location ng Hotel Scribes of Hotel kasi it's so near the tourist destination. And ayan, ito yung sikat na isa din na landmark dito sa Paris, yung Cleopatra's Needle. And at my back is a famous actually parang mall din to kasi nandito yung mga shops, luxury shops and luxury brands. Dito bumili si Ivana sa vlog niya. Diyan siya bumili. Tapos yung nagtitinda, yung nagwapuhan siya dito siya. So na yung mga dito, branded talaga mga parts. Andito lahat sa Paris. So nahanap namin yung outlet store. Kasi nga syempre mga parts gusto natin dun sa mas mura tsaka may discount mga parts. So nadaan na lang namin to. So baka bumalik ako dito mga parts para mag picture naman. Kasi haggard tayo today. Dahil aga natin nanood ng game. So let's go. Punta tayo ng outlet store. So mga parts, hindi namin makiting outlet. Pero nandito lahat yung mga branded na mga parts. Dior, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Burberry. Mga parts lahat. Ang kulang na lang talaga dito pambili. So ngayon, nandito naman kami sa lahat in front of Basilica. So iikot na lang kami kasi hindi namin makita yung mga gusto namin puntahan. So kaya nag-picture na lang. Ayan sila parts. Pero grabe mga parts, sobrang ganda dito sa Paris. Yung street nila puro branded, as in wala ka makikita hindi branded. Kaya siguro talagang this is the fashion capital of the world. So let's go. Patuloy pa rin tayo maghanap ng outlet. Mga parts, ayan po, ganyan po kadami yung bus namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So malapit na ulit kami sa hotel. And mga parts dito sa Paris, usong-uso yung mga ganyan, no? Yung mga outside cafe and coffee shops, natatambay lang sila sa labas. And ang nakaka-amaze dito mga parts, yung mga buildings nila are parang pare-parehas ng itsura. Parang mga palasyo. So yeah, ito na yung hotel namin. Yung Hotel Scribe Sofitel. And dumikot kami. Uy, hookah. So ang dami namin nakita mga stores ng mga brands. Pero hindi kami bumili. Kasi naghahanap pa rin kami ng outlet store. So yeah, the search still continues. Let's go. So mga parts, ayan, kaikot namin. Ito yung Opera House mga parts. And actually hinahanap namin yung Galeries Lafayette. And buti na lang mga parts, nakita na namin. Malapit na kami. Kasi doon daw yung mga mura. So malapit lang sa mga parts sa hotel namin. And ito kasi yung Opera House sa likod niyan. Sa likod ng hotel namin, Opera House. And sa likod ng Opera House, yung Lafayette. Ayan siya. So, let's go mga parts. Check natin kung meron tayong mabibili for today. Let's go. So mga parts, ngayon naman i-unbox natin yung laman ng kit na natanggap natin yesterday, yung pinakita ko sa inyo from our program, corporate event. And by the way, ngayon mga parts, punta kami sa headquarters kaya medyo naka semi-formal ako. So, buksan natin mga parts kung ano ang laman niya. Oh, so meron dito Sanofi or the Olympics Cup. And then, syempre, meron dito pa-letter. And then, si fridge! Ito yung mga parts. Ito yung icon ng Olympics. Yung kanilang mascot, si fridge. And then, sunglasses because it's summer here in Paris. May face mask. And then we got also a polo shirt. And then, It's a belt bag. And then also is this a towelette. And then a tumbler. Wow, a tumbler. Olympics tumbler. So that's it mga part. Thank you for joining me in my journey here in my Paris Olympics trip, or my journey to Paris Olympics. And I hope that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have questions, please comment down below and like and share to your friends. Please follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and also in TikTok. Also, so see you later mga parts!